Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Dual Credit Government A. This is a two-part class. Um, like all government classes are two parts, but this one is the same. So this is the first part. There's a couple of things that you're going to do with this class. You're going to register with CWI. If it's your first dual credit class, walk you through that process super easy. That's not in this slide or in this video, it's in a different spot. If it's not your first rodeo, then you'll have no problem figuring it out. But I want to talk a little bit about what you're going to expect in this class or what's expected of you. Number one, it's a college level class. So that doesn't just mean you're going to do more work. That means your contribution and level of commitment to your work is going to be higher, and my expectations of you are going to be higher. So I expect really good quality work out of y'all, and no one ever, never dis, no one ever disappoints me in this. So here we go. What is important? And important to me means what assignments are worth more to your grade, and some are worth more than others. These three assignments are projects, discussions, and checkpoints, and I'll explain each of those individually. Um, all work you do is meaningful, but these are the ones that you need to put your time and energy into the most, and they'll ask the most of you as well. So by default, you'll do that. Project and enrichment activities, these are worth 25% of your grade. And there's two parts to project category. One is actual projects. There's going to be one in each unit. Um, and they're bigger assignments. They probably take more time and effort than any other assignments in the class, and they usually cover a broad spectrum of the course material that you've recently studied. And then enrichment activities, these are shorter assignments focused on a specific topic or concept. Sometimes it's something in the unit, sometimes it's something that I bring from outside and I add to the unit. So they're enriching your experience. Discussions, these are big ones. Discussions are your chance to actually interact with the course and your peers, sort of. So each discussion question requires a personal response to a topic and a response or reaction two of what your peers say. That's to get the full points. Um, and I'll explain how that works later in a different video. I've got a different video that's going to go over specifically what discussions, what a good discussion is, what a bad discussion is, and what I'm expecting to see out of that. There's also an assignment before each discussion called a discussion map, and it's a template that I give you, and I'll review and go over that template in a different video as well. But so more on that to come specifically in the class. But this category of assignment is also worth 25% of your grade. So projects and discussions, that is half your grade in the class. And then checkpoints. Checkpoints are 20% of your grade. They're like little quizzes. I think they're more important than exams because the exams are just kind of a repeat of the checkpoints themselves. So we're looking at you doing well on your checkpoints. And again, this is another 20%, like I said. So you get three shots, but do well, and you'll do great in this class. Finally, one last thing. I want you to tell me a little bit more about yourself in a very unique way. You're going to write a 6-word memoir. Well, what's that? It's simple. Describe you, your life, or what you want me to know about you using just 6 words. And here's one that I wrote for myself. I was born, never stopped living. So here we go. Now that you have the 411 for what to expect in this class, you are ready to get going. There's a quiz here. Answer the questions. You're going to share your 6-word memoir with me in Google Chat, and as the final question of the quiz, you only get half the points on that question if you don't send me a chat. So this is the easy 100 points. So just send me a chat. Get into Google Chat if you don't know how to do that. Shoot me a text or something, and I'll tell you how to do Google Chat. But it's pretty straightforward and easy. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I am your champion. You got this. Let's go.